Assalamu alaikum. Welcome students of first year class. I welcome you all in your new class session of computer science, and today is the orientation for the class. And my name is Mr. Aziz Sajid, lecturer in computer science, DPS and College Kasur. And here's my WhatsApp number for your any kind of consultation or questioning. And as you know, today is the orientation day, so today we are seeing our textbook and paper pattern, etc. Let's see what are the points to be presented in today's orientation. The first one is textbook and its total chapters, and the second one is pairing scheme or weightage or marks distribution, and the third one is detailed view of marks distribution. Okay students, let's see the first point, textbook and its total chapters. This is book for computer science for first year. Your book name for first year class is a textbook of computer science for class 11, and it is being checked and published by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, Lahore. So here this book includes 10 chapters of different topics or different categories related to computer science, and in addition an extra of glossary and index for your help or additional information. Okay, the next thing is pairing scheme or weightage or marks distribution. Let's see. Here's section A. First section is multiple choice questions, and in this section there will be question number 1 of MCQs, and that will carry 15 marks. This is section A, and it is also known as objective type question. And the section B is short answers questions, and in this section there will be question number 2 of short questions, in which total number of questions will be 9, and you are asked to attempt 6 questions out of 9, that will carry 12 marks. After that there will be question number 3 of short questions, the same pattern, 6 out of 9 questions, and they will carry 12 marks. And also there will be question number 4 of short questions, and in this also you are to attempt 6 out of 9 questions, and that will carry 12 marks. So these will be total 12 times 3, 36 marks. After that there will be section C of long answers questions, in which you are to attempt 3 out of 5 questions. There will be total 5 long questions, and you are asked to attempt any 3 of those. Let's see. As the first will be question number 5, and that will carry 8 marks. Question number 6, that will also carry 8 marks. Question number 7, also 8 marks. Question number 8 and question number 9, all having 8 marks, equal marks, and you are asked to attempt 3 questions, so 8 times 3, that will be 24 marks. So in your computer science paper the total marks will be 15 for MCQs, 36 for short questions, and 24 for long answer questions, and that will be 75 marks question paper. And you have options of 3 short questions in each part, and 2 long questions in section C. So there will be no choice in MCQs, that will carry 15 marks, 15 questions and 15 marks, and the total marks will be 75. Next, pairing scheme. Here is a detailed view of chapter wise percentage or weightage and marks distribution. Let's see. In chapter 1 the weightage or percentage is 21%, and the marks distributed for this chapter is 16. 2 MCQs from this chapter, 3 short questions, and 1 long question. This is from chapter number 1. From chapter number 2 the weightage is 19%, that is 14 marks distribution, 2 MCQs, 2 short questions, and 1 long question. In chapter 3, 19%, same weightage as chapter number 2, that is 14 marks, in which 2 for MCQs, 2 short questions, that will be 4 marks, and 1 long question of 8 marks. In chapter number 4, the weightage is 16%, marks distribution is 12, 2 for MCQs, 5 short questions in this chapter, and no long question. Chapter number 5, 27% weightage. Here is the maximum weightage of the book. Chapter number 5, that will carry 20 marks, 1 for MCQ, 6 number of short questions, that will carry 12 marks, and 1 long question, that will carry 8 marks. In chapter number 6, 17% weightage, that will be 13 marks, and in which 2 marks will be for MCQs, 2 short questions, that will carry 4 marks, and 1 long question for 8 marks. In chapter number 7, 8, 9 and 10, the weightage is same as 7% for all, and that will carry 5 marks for each chapter, 1 for MCQs, and 2 short questions from each chapter, that will carry 4 marks, and there will be no long question from these chapters. Okay, I hope this detailed view can tell you anything related to your chapter scheme or examination scheme, and you can understand which chapter is to be studied and learned more, and what chapter you can skip as a choice, or well, that is not an option. You should learn every chapter, and you should learn each and everything available or provided in the textbook. But here's a selection. If you want to do a selective work, here is the weightage or percentage and the marks distribution. You can do at your own ease. That's all for today. Wish you all best of luck, and we'll meet in next class with new chapter, and we'll start our study program for first year class. Okay guys, take care. Allah Hafiz.